Hello innovators, and welcome back to Insuring Innovation, the show where we break down the essential updates and trends driving the insurance industry forward. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. This month, we're talking about one of my favorite events of the entire year, Applied 2025! We're gonna dive into the conference and let you know why this is a can't miss event. We'll talk through all the sessions, the learning opportunities, and our incredible venue. Not to mention the world-class entertainment, including this year's superstar keynote speaker. Now, if you're on the fence about attending, or if you need a little help convincing your boss, well hey, then this episode is for you. Let's start with the need-to-know details. This year, AppliedNet is at the Aria Resort in Las Vegas from October 6th through the 9th. And hey, if you've never been to the Aria, I was there for AppliedNet 2023, and let me tell you, it's a beautiful resort. It's in a great spot right on the strip, and in between all the educational lectures and your hands-on labs, you'll absolutely have opportunity to try your luck at the casino, enjoy excellent food at any one of the in-resort restaurants, and its location makes it a great home for exploring the rest of the city. Every single year, we work with our friends over at the Applied Client Network to put on the go-to event for the entire Applied community. From Applied Epic to EZLynx to Tarmica to Ivan's. From your Applied employees all the way through industry experts to users like you. If you use our product, you should be there. Now, let's talk about why this is the premier conference for all things Applied. First off, let's look at the numbers. The conference takes place over 4 days. We'll have over 4,400 attendees, including fellow agents and brokers, MGAs and carriers, and of course, industry leaders and influencers. Folks, we're talking about a huge opportunity to network. This year, we'll also have over 250 sessions. We're talking lectures, roundtables, and even hands-on labs that showcase how to use and optimize our software solution. We'll even have expert panels on issues facing the industry and so much more. This year, our showroom, the Applied Exchange, will have over 100 exhibitors, giving you the opportunity to learn about the latest in InsurTech or to partner with a tech leader to take your agency to that next level. Folks, those are the facts. But if you're still wondering if AppliedNet is for you, you've got some nerve, mister. Well, then the answer is yes. AppliedNet has something for everyone, regardless of your role at the company. From principal to CSR to accountant and all hats in between, you'll find ideas, inspiration, and practical tips that you can apply to your day-to-day. And you'll have plenty of networking time at the Applied Exchange, where you can swap ideas with your peers, event speakers, exhibitors, and so many more. Then I'm not done yet, folks. That's right, let's talk about the top tier AppliedNet keynote speaker for this year. In the past, we've had incredible people share their stories, their insights, and their inspiration. Speakers like Bear Grylls, Coach K, and Admiral William McRaven, to name a few. And this year, folks, we're going big. Just recently announced, this year's AppliedNet 2025 keynote speaker will be Martha Stewart. Folks, she has 11 daytime Emmys, she's published 100 cookbooks, she's an incredible entrepreneur with decades-long career, and I've heard she's one of Snoop Dogg's best friends. In addition to Martha Stewart, you'll also get to hear from our CEO, Taylor Rhodes, Applied Client Network CEO, Brian Langerman, our Chief Product Officer, Anupam Gupta, Senior Vice President of Sales Enablement and Solution Consulting, Cara Harris-Crowell, and from the head of my very own department, happy to report you will be hearing from Chief Customer Officer Trevor Bunker. They'll all share their insights into the state of our industry, the future of Applied, and all the ways we're helping innovators like you take your operations to the next level. Okay, so we've got great sessions, we've got awesome networking opportunities, we've got a fantastic keynote speaker. What else could you ask for? Well, we're not done yet. We also have top-notch entertainment to cap off each and every night of AppliedNet. Now, at previous AppliedNets, we've had outstanding performances by artists like Lady A, Dierks Bentley, and Darius Rucker. We've had exclusive performances of the incredible Cirque du Soleil shows. We've taken over honky tonks in Nashville, as well as nightclubs in Vegas. So, you know, folks, you're in for an amazing time when the learning is done, and it's time to hit the town with Applied. Folks, this year AppliedNet is going to be a blast. And I know you're convinced with everything that we have lined up, but If your boss still needs a little bit of convincing, let's expand a little bit more on this year's educational opportunities. Now, this year's theme is the Intelligent Insurance Era, and that means the entire event will center around how Applied is investing in AI, data, and connectivity to help you make smarter decisions driven by business intelligence. Our education program features over 250 sessions led by industry icons, product experts, and of course our software super users. We'll be covering a variety of topics this year with role-based education session tracks that make it easy to personalize your agenda and learn what matters most to you. Not to mention we'll offer one-on-one training where we can answer your questions about our tech or teach you the best ways to use it. And our support and customer success teams, including yours truly, will be available on site to talk through tech, optimization, and more. And don't forget, we put this event on with the great folks over at Applied Client Network, or ACN for those of you in the know. And let me tell you, they're an excellent resource for any challenge you might be facing because they've been in your shoes. If you aren't already a member of ACN, you have to stop by their booth while you're there. Folks, they are going to offer you the resources, the connections, and the peer support that you need to stay ahead in the industry. And of course, always have some great swag. ACN has chapters everywhere, and they have programs for Applied and EZLynx users. So there's a chapter ready to welcome you into the fold. AppliedNet is educational. It provides an incredible networking opportunity. We showcase the latest, the greatest in industry innovations at our expo hall. We help take your agency to the next level and offer you help all along the way. We have an amazing keynote speaker and, oh yeah, don't forget, we're gonna have a blast! I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in Vegas. So thank you all for tuning in this month, and thank you, of course, as always, for ensuring innovation.